Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you love Christmas decoration and easy DIY projects, then you are in the right place. Today I am showing a collection of beautiful Christmas craft ideas that are simple, affordable and perfect for decorating your home during the holiday season. So grab your favorite drink, relax and sit back and let's enjoy creative Christmas craft together. Christmas is the time of love, joy and creativity. Handmade decorations make every corner of your home feel warm and magical. The best part of you don't need expensive supplies. With a little imagination and a few simple materials, you can create something beautiful decoration that look beautiful and unique. As you watch these craft ideas, notice how each product has own special style. Some decorations are rustic and cozy, while others sparkle with glitter, little lights, fairy lights, and festive colors. Every craft adds its own charm to the Christmas season. You can make this decoration using ribbon, church, pine cones, wooden ornaments, fabric, paper, cardboard, glass jars, bottles, and recycled materials. Adding fairy lights and tiny bells, bows, or artificial snow can make every project look even more magical. One wonderful thing about DIY Christmas craft is that everyone can enjoy making them. Whether you are a beginner or already you love crafting, these ideas are easy to follow. You can also invite your family or friends to join you and spend quality time together while creating beautiful holiday decoration. Handmade Christmas decoration also make thoughtful gifts. A gift made with love and always more meaningful because it shows your time, care and creativity. Your friends and family will truly appreciate something made by our hands. These Christmas craft ideas perfect for decorating Christmas tree, dining table, fireplace, shelves, windows, front doors, or even your office and classroom. Small handmade decoration can completely change the atmosphere and make every place feel festive. Don't worry about making everything perfect, and every handmade decoration is special because it is unique. It is a little difference make your creation even more beautiful. Enjoy the process, take your time and have a fun trying different color and designs. You can mix traditional Christmas colors like green, red, gold, white and silver, or create your own modern color theme. No matter which style you can choose, your creativity will make every decoration stand out. Crafting is also a wonderful way to relax after a busy day. It allows you to express your creativity while creating beautiful memories with your own loved ones. Every finished project become a part of your Christmas Day celebration. I hope today's ideas inspire you to start your own DIY Christmas project. Save your Christmas favorite ideas, customize them in your own style, and enjoy making your home warm, cozy, and full of holiday happiness. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope these Christmas craft ideas inspire you to create something beautiful on this holidays season. Tell me in the comment which craft was your favorite today. I always reading your comments and suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, please give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more easy DIY craft and creative decoration. Thank you so much for love, support. Stay creative, stay inspired, and see you in the next video. You are the heart of this channel. Your support, comments, and encouragement inspire me to create more beautiful Christmas craft videos. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I truly hope these craft ideas inspire you to create something beautiful to this holiday season. Which craft did you love the most? Let me in the comment below, please. Thank you so much once again for being a part of our creative family. Stay happy, stay creative, stay blessed, and keep spreading the magic of the Christmas with your own creation. See you in the next video.